Today I'm pleased to be speaking with Dasha Grupman, the founder and CEO of Latitude 365. How has Latitude 365 broken the mold for yacht management systems?
Well, we are the only company that provides financial management software for super yachts, and there are certain specifics that make commercial accounting packages not suitable for managing yachts, and those specifics are the fact that the crew and the captain usually don't have a formal accounting training. So whatever software they use, it has to be very simple and straightforward, which commercial packages are not. In addition, the boat needs to be able to work offline, since the internet connection is not always stable, and yet the boat and the office need to communicate in real time, which is quite a challenging technologically thing to do.
So Dasha, who would you say is the main user? Who are the main users of this system?
Well, the software has been built for the users on board, for the management office, and for the owner's office. And it really benefits crew on board, so sometimes they use it completely on board only, because it allows to make expense recording easier, and they record expenses in multiple currencies as the boat travels. It also allows to create purchase requests and get those approved before the purchase and before payment by the management company or the owner's office. And for the management company, it provides a very quick way to create really professional reports with color charts. And if the owner requests any information, they can find it within seconds, which with Excel is not possible. And we see more and more owners actually installing the interface, just because they can review the reports in a very interactive basis. So they can click on numbers to see breakdowns, and then they can see attached receipts as well.
How important is it for captains to have, as we said, alignment and a seamless system, if you will?
Well, it's important for captains and the management offices, right? Because the boats are usually managed in one way or the other, and the office, for the office to truly manage expenses and spending by crew, they need to have data in real time.
Let's talk about safety and the data protection point of view. How easy is that?
Well, that's another aspect that's so specific to the super yacht industry, right? It has to be very secure, and our application is an installable application, so it sits on the computer at all times, so it's not cloud-based, which means there is no web address that somebody can hack into. And the way users exchange information is via synchronizing to and from the server.
Certainly, you, as we said earlier before we were rolling, you are the first of your kind, correct?
Right.
Yeah, obviously there's a need for this. How quickly do you think it's going to catch on?
Well, it's catching on quite quickly. We've been in the industry since 2011. We've been customizing for yachts till 2013. And by now we have over 150 yachts that are using us on board. They range from 20 meters to 150 plus meters. Most largest yacht management companies are using us on some of their fleets. So for the owners, if the boat is still managed in Excel or Quicken, they can ask the company, and I'm sure they'll be able to accommodate it.
Well, Dasha, thank you very much for educating us on Latitude 365.